So the second part of store has to do with defining a home for ease of use. So in the first micro step, we said, okay, this is what we need. This is how often we need it. Now we need to define the home and label it the right way. So we can label chairs, we can label shelves, we can label drawers. I recommend a lot to use transparent drawers, which helps you. You may not need even not need the labels because you just can see what's inside. I always go and open the drawers because you can hide a lot of trash in there, and that can be difficult to find. So the way I say it is just organize your drawer as if you feel proud whenever you're out and someone wants to open your drawer. Try to see if you will feel comfortable with them open it. If you feel comfortable, then you have found a right home for those things.